guys, we got here to the property. You can see pretty nice house, newish. It's in pretty good shape, but there is a little bit of termite damage right up there. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be treating the area, then we're going to be patching the area, and then we're going to be painting the area. That way the customer is going to have a fully completed repair. All right, so you can kind of see it's up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go set up the ladder. I'll set it up right there, my extension ladder, and I'll take care of what's going on. All right, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we came to Sherwin-Williams to pick up the paint, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we came back from Sherwin-Williams. I got some paint right here. Sherwin-Williams Resilience. Pretty good paint. Limited lifetime warranty. That means if it starts peeling, cracking, anything like that, you give them a call, they give you some free paint to take care of it. Yeah, I just got a cord today because it's just a small area that needs to be taken care of. So we're gonna be going ahead and taping the area and painting the area now that everything has been treated. All right, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so it looks like everything has been completed. You can see up there, everything's been taken care of, and yeah, now we're ready to go. Alright guys, so that's about it. Looks like we took care of those repairs, and we're done for the day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, leave it in the box below. Thank you.